Welcome back, guys. Today we will create a business related UI design. First we will take the text of frame, then add a grid. In the grid we will add columns, keep the gutter 1200 and set it to count 2 and make the grid color slightly grayish. Now we will add an image here with 35% opacity. You can see the height and width here. We will create another rectangle of the same size and fill it with the black color, then place it behind the image. Now we add to logo and logo text and add it to auto layout. After that we will add option to the menu, then we will create a logo and register button. The register button will be created with the help of auto layout, and you can see here what properties we are adding inside it. We will add all elements step by step in the auto layout, and after that our navbar will be ready. Here you can see how to design the elements of the hero section. And we will convert the button into a component because it's an element that will be used repeatedly in this design. Now wherever we need a button, we will customize and use it as needed. Section. Now we select the 3 element and convert into auto layout and add some padding left, right and top and bottom. Now I need to place an image inside the square shaped object above. For that I'll go to plugins, select unsplash and whichever image I need for that. Now we all select both elements, add them to auto layout and enable offset stroke. This is how we all create the elements. Now we create a section called a management solution. In this background, we have used a radial fill, and the rest of the elements have been created the same way as we did earlier. Now we are adding all element in auto layout. Now we create the testimonial section, and in this we need 3 background boxes. So for that we first draw rectangle across the entire area, then divide it by 3 and subtract 8. Now we create the FAQ section, and inside it we use some of the elements from the testimonial section. This will help you understand that you don't need to create a new element every time.